Hello everyone, my name is Sonnielanda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to clone your subject in a picture using Photoshop. Before we jump to Photoshop, I am giving you these few tips in order for you to successfully achieve this kind of picture. First is you need to put your camera in a sturdy tripod because your camera must not move all throughout this entire process. Second is you need to take a picture of your background empty because we are going to use that picture as the base layer in Photoshop. Third is you need to take a picture of yourself in multiple times and then we will just put them all together in Photoshop. First step, go to the blank background that you just took, which is this one, and then just duplicate it, Command J or Control J, and then go to the second picture that you just took, for example, this one. Now I'll start with this. The first thing that you need to do, again first, from here, just Command J, duplicate, go to Patch Tool. Once you're in Patch Tool, just select the picture, only this part, and then press Command J, and then click your arrow, your move key, or press V. And then from here, drag it all the way to the blank layer. And we already have the first picture. Make sure that everything is aligned. For example, this line, so this should be aligned to the table. Just move it up, use your move key, and now it's aligned. Now you can see the edge is a bit hard. To remove that, just press E or eraser tool. Make your brush a bit bigger. Your brush hardness should be like all the way down, 0. And then erase the part wherein you can see the hard edges. And so as in right here, just adjust the brush size so you will not delete yourself in the picture. Something like this. Now if you can see, the hard edges are gone. And then now, I want to remove this, the cord. So again, eraser tool, and then change your hardness about something 70%, and then just delete the cord, something like this. Something like this. For example, I deleted it like really good, and then zoom out. Now we already have our first picture. And then repeat this process to all the pictures that you have chosen, and then this is what going to happen. The first layer, and then this. And then the only thing that you need to do is if you want to make some adjustments in the color, contrast, and exposure, and this is my final output. And that's it. It's that simple. You can now clone yourself or any of your subject in one picture with the use of Photoshop. If you have any question or video suggestions, please comment down below, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I hope to see you on my next video, and be safe.